Hello everyone, this is More Like Check and welcome to a new video in the playlist Everything About Windows 11. Microsoft is now allowing Windows 11 testers to try out Android apps, which is exciting news. You will learn how to install Android applications natively by the end of this video. It makes no difference whether your device is supported or not because I will cover both sides. You may encounter a few errors, but don't worry, I've got you covered for any problem that arises during the installation process. That's why this specific video might be a little longer. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to have Windows Insider program enabled in our system. So now we need to go to settings and head over to Windows Update. Any choice of these will work. I have chosen the beta option. After that, go to the link you will find on the description. Click on Get button and it will redirect you to the Microsoft Store application. Let's install the application by clicking on the Install button. As you can see with me, we got this error. There are a lot of reasons for this to happen. You might have an unsupported device or Microsoft Store bug since this is all still new. If you happen to install the subsystem from here, you might want to skip to the minute you see on the screen. If you didn't, follow me because we will use a common method to force install the application. We will need to go to this website that you will find on the description. What this basically do is it extract the application from the Microsoft Store and gives you a file so you can install it outside of the Windows Store. Let's go over to the website and paste the Microsoft Store Android subsystem application link in here. And in the drop down you need to select Slow and click on this button. Go to the last one and make sure that it's the right one from its size. This one should have something similar to 1.2 GB. After downloading this file and extracting it, we need to enable some important features before installing anything. Go to Start, search for Turn Windows Features, and make sure to enable Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hyper-V Platform. After that, you need to restart your computer. After the restart, now we get the file that we just downloaded and extracted. You will see a bunch of files here, but the most important one is the bigger. As you can see, we have this one that have around 700 megabytes. When you try to install it normally, as you can see with me, it will not work. So we will use Windows Terminal to force installing the subsystem. Open the Windows Terminal with Administrator. And type this command exactly as you see on the screen. Now go to the file that we just talked about, right click and click on copy path. This will copy its location. Go to terminal and paste it alongside with the command and click enter. As you can see with me, the subsystem is installing now. That's good, so we installed the Windows subsystem for Android. Open it and enable developer mode. We need to keep the IP address. Take a look at the IP address by clicking refresh. This is the second obstacle you might face. If you found your IP address here, that's great. You might want to skip to the minute that you see on the screen. If you see this unavailable just like me, follow this step to find your IP address. Click on Manage Developer Settings. Scroll down and click on Wireless Debugging. Keep this IP address in a note because we will need it. We need to download some important files from the Android website. Go to Google and type Platform Tools. In here, click Download SDK Platform Tool. After you extracted this, right click on the platform tool folder and click copy patch. Now run Windows terminal as administrator and type cd and paste the location we just copied. Now type adb and press tab. By pressing tab, the Windows terminal will find a file in the platform tools folder, or you can type it manually, there is no problem with that. And now type connect, and here you can pass the IP address that we just copied from the subsystem, and don't forget to put the port of the IP address. Sometimes it might not work at first, so just try to connect for a few times. Now it's time to install the APK files. I have prepared these APK files and I will try to install them. We will need to copy the APKs to the platform tools folder. After that, open the terminal from the folder and type adb install. And now you can type the first word of the APK file. Like in here I have Apple Music, I'm just gonna type Apple and press tab. When I press tab, it will autocomplete for me the full name of the APK file, and after that click enter. It should start installing now the application, but if you see this error, easy to fix. Just type the same command, same thing, adb, but this time we're gonna type -s, the IP address, install, the APK name. So that's awesome, the application is installing now. Let's run it. And it surprisingly works well. I just paused the video to download another application and try it, like Signal. Let's try the same way, as you can see. Everything looks great. As you can see, all these applications works smoothly without any problems. This is very surprising for me because it's still on the preview, but it seems very good. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe. If you want to check more videos about Windows 11, check the playlist I made specifically for this. Have a great day.